Come on, buddy.
Come on, man. Come here. You can do it. You can do it. Good boy. That's it. Oh, good boy, Andy. Come on. You come get it.
You got it, little man.
You got
He needs a
it.
better outfit on.
Come on.
Crawl, crawl, crawl. You got it.
Good boy.
Are you camera shy?
Come get it, Eddie. Come on. You come to mommy. Come get it.
There you go.
Come on.
There you go. It's his outfit. He can't move in it. His legs caught.
Okay, look. Some people are here and they're being very rude.
Right on, little man.
Come here, Eddie.
I'm sorry, but we need your help. Do you know Tiffany Henderson? Room 109.
You got it. That's it. Good boy.
Oh, how sad. Do you have the key?
You made it. Oh, just
Come
about.
on.
Well, she didn't bring
You're almost here. Come on, Eddie.
Now we're gonna start closing gates.
Sorry, but you need the key. Don't worry. No man will be here. Safe and sound.
That's it, buddy.
Good boy.
Good work. Yeah.